Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my last video, I tested a bunch of art supplies by a company called ARTEZA. I said I will make a video trying more the watercolors, and here it is. But I will not just talk about the watercolors, I will also talk about the watercolor book as well. I will do a drawing of a whale and flowers, and I find the inspiration on Pinterest, and I will share the credit in description down below. As you can see, I already draw with mechanic pencil and I am ready for some color. This picture is on my Instagram as well, so feel free to jump there and check it out. So for now, I will not torture you with my weird accent, but just for now. I hope you will stay till the end of the video and hear my opinion about the watercolors and the watercolor book. So let's speed up the process. So guys, it is done. And like last time, the watercolors did fantastic. 36 colors, more than enough, right? They are very pigmented, smooth, very easy to activate. When they dry, they don't smear, and they smell good, as watercolor can smell. I mean, don't expect roses, but it's kind of nice. The brush that is coming with the watercolors was fine. I like it. It's medium size and I didn't have any problem with it. But what I have to say is I had problem with the watercolor book. The watercolors were bleeding and you can't get smooth edges. It was kind of hard to handle the water. It didn't handle water good at all. And when I compare this watercolor paper with my watercolor paper, that is A3, 20 pages, clean white, and it was like $3, I think it's doing better job than this watercolor book. It is just I'm just being honest, and yeah. So guys, if you think I'm doing a good job, please give this video a thumbs up. And I would appreciate so much if you would subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!